We are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
Before we get into the video, let's go ahead and give a shout out to our inspiration. Y'all already know how I do. I go on Pinterest, I go on Instagram, and I screenshot and I try to recreate. The only thing I can hope is that I do these artists justice and I make them proud. What's goody, it's your girl, the best fowler. I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so if you need some nail inspiration, I got you. Stay tuned to the end of the video. The chunky red hearts can be purchased off of Amazon. How is everybody doing today? It is Sunday, January 28th, 1:56 a.m. And yes, your girl is a night owl. If you're having a good day, go ahead and drop a smiley face in the comment section. If you're not having the best day, I do hope my video brings you some joy. Yes, I've missed you guys. It's been a little minute since we've talked, but I do have some new nail content coming out, so stay tuned for that. This video will not be in real time. I did speed it up, and that is because I'm doing the same thing multiple times to multiple nails, and I don't feel like that is good content. If you disagree or if you would prefer to see real-time videos from me, let me know. All I have to say is this design did take a long time. As you can see, the thumb and the pinky are the same. They are going to be red solid nails. In the video, you can see that I only did the one coat and it's very see-through. I got this polish from Young Nails a long time ago. It didn't come with any wrapping on the bottle or any writing on the bottle. This is very unlike Young Nails. I don't know if I got a bottle that I wasn't supposed to get, but yeah, this came with no writing, no name, no nothing. It's just the red. I don't use it often because, again, it doesn't have any writing, so I forget I have it. But I will say that one coat did not do me justice like my Madam Glam Perfect Red would have, so I went in with about 3 coats. And you will see that in the beginning, I had in mind to do nail art on top of these red nails, but my plans quickly changed. Y'all should already know the drill by now, but if you don't, when I use chunky glitter, I like to go in with a Milli Builder Base Gel. It's thicker, therefore the chunky glitters lay down perfectly, and sometimes they slip around, but I don't mind slipping. That's normal. I just don't want them to be sticking up when I'm ready to encapsulate, because then we have a problem. I'm not going to narrate in this video because we can see what I'm doing. If you have questions, however, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section. I will reply, or I'll make a dedicated video to that question. last time we talked, which was my last video, I expressed that I had hit 50 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and that may not seem like a lot to somebody, but it's a lot to me, and I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I just want to continue to grow as we are, because now we're at 73. Shout out to us, but we're going to stick to that 50. Because I hit 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Now, if you didn't make it to the end of the video, you don't even know about this and you can't participate, which makes it better for the people who did watch to the end of the video. So all you have to do is like this video. 1, subscribe to my channel. 2, 3, comment your favorite number down below with your Cash App name. Again, you're going to comment your favorite number down below and put your Cash App with the comment. And I am going to bless 5 different people, 5 individuals. But like I said, you have to like the video and you have to subscribe. Don't forget those 2 important things, because if you're not subscribed, you do not win. And don't be a weirdo and subscribe to get the winnings and then unsubscribe. That's weird. Don't do that. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Thank you so much for your love and support. I do appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.